Alright, since it's Sunday morning, I'm gonna open up 7 cars from this week. Some of the stuff I found. Some of these are new, and some are just things that have been kicking around that I've been meaning to open. Alright, let's crack them open. I don't know how well this color presents on camera, but this is the Mercedes-Benz C126. This particular one is a 560 SEC. The pillarless hardtop coupe. I own one of these, just not the wide body AMG. Actually, I own 2 of them. I had a 500 and a 560. Loved them both. So yeah, this is an 89. Mine was a 1991, the last year they made them. And then the 84 was a 500. But that was a gray market car out of Europe. It was leased out of Smith Motors in Haverhill, Massachusetts. And had a phone in it. A 1984 car with a wireless phone. And we had a corded headset, but it was wireless in terms of it was a car phone, which was all the rage in the 80s. Next, we have a similar vehicle, just a convertible. So this is an LC500 Lexus. I believe this is a V8. Love the white interior. Matchbox has been doing this quite a bit. They did it with the moving parts, lavender BMW. White interiors on convertibles are awesome. So I am on board with this 100%. Pretty nicely detailed for a mainline car. Alright, next we got the RX8. The last rotary powered Mazda that anybody cared about. Last production RX. They need to make a supercar based on the rotary, in my opinion. The Ferrari concept should be resurrected and put into production. And next we have the RAV4, the first generation. This one's a 2-door. I love the little brush guard with the fog lights. It almost makes this thing twice as cool as if it didn't have it. This is a goofy little Tyrannosaurus engined all-wheel drive sort of. This is kind of the beginning of the end for cool SUVs, because these things were goofy, but they were kind of neat. People loved them. They sold very well, but mostly the 4-doors. Next we get the BMW 7 Series. Still on that kick of the gigantic Bugs Bunny grills. Bugs Bunny teeth grills. It's a little ridiculous. But this thing is kind of cool. It definitely has some presence. This thing's awesome. These Audi station wagons are very cool. I'm not an Audi person at all. But if I ever did have the money to buy an expensive Audi, this would probably be the one. Probably the best combination of colors on the Hot Wheels Miura.